Hi guys, it's me, Gabriel, here again. I'm gonna read y'all another book. This one's called Thomas Goes Fishing. Th- Thomas chugged by the river. He saw children fishing. Peep peep, Thomas said. The children waved. I wish to fish, said Thomas. An engine fishing? The driver said. That's funny. Each day Thomas saw the children. Each day Thomas saw the children. Each day Thomas wished to fish. One day Thomas stopped. Oh dear, he said. My boiler hurts. The driver looked in the boiler. It was empty. Uh-oh, that's not good. The driver filled Thomas's boiler with water from the river. Soon they were chugging along. Thomas stopped again. He said. Thomas said, said Thomas. My boiler feels funny. The driver looked in the boiler. It was not empty. There was water in the boiler. That was not all. There were fish there too. We could guess the outcome if the train goes fishing. Thomas had an idea. He peeped loudly. The children came to see Thomas. The children could fish in the river. The driver could fish in Thomas. And that is what they did. Peep peep. Well, Thomas thinks that there are things a train can do, but that is not the point. There are things trains cannot do. Fishing is one of them. Goodbye, everyone.